50 interesting facts about planet Earth. People are constantly interested in everything mysterious and enigmatic. That is why research is constantly being conducted to learn more about the amazing planet Earth. It seems that humanity knows almost everything about the planet, but there are still many pressing questions that need to be answered. In the distant future, humanity will definitely solve the mystery of the universe and the origin of the Earth. Next, we invite you to read more interesting and fascinating facts about planet Earth. 1. Earth is the only planet on which complex life forms exist. 2. Unlike other planets, named after various Roman gods, the word Earth has its own name in each nation. 3. The density of the Earth is higher than any other planet, 5.515 grams per cc. 4. Among the terrestrial group of planets, the Earth has the greatest gravity and the strongest magnetic field. 5. The presence of bulges around the equator is associated with the rotational ability of the Earth. 6. The difference in the diameter of the Earth at the poles and around the equator is 43 kilometers. 7. The average depth of the oceans, covering 70% of the planet's surface, is 4 kilometers. 8. The area of the Pacific Ocean exceeds the total land area. 9. The formation of continents occurred as a result of the constant movement of the Earth's crust. There was originally one continent on Earth known as Pangaea. 10. The largest ozone hole was discovered over Antarctica in 2006. 11. Only in 2009 did one of the most reliable topographic maps of planet Earth appear. 12. Mount Everest is known as the highest point on the planet, and the Mariana Trench as the deepest. 13. The Moon acts as the only satellite of the Earth. 14. Water vapor in the atmosphere affects weather forecasts. 15. The change of 4 seasons of the year is carried out due to the equatorial inclination of the Earth to its orbit, which is 23.44 degrees. 16. If you could drill a tunnel through the Earth and jump into it, the fall would last about 42 minutes. 17. Rays of light travel from the Sun to the Earth in 500 seconds. 18. If you study a teaspoon of ordinary soil, it turns out that there are more living organisms there than all the people living on Earth. 19. Deserts occupy almost a third of the surface of the entire Earth. 20. On Earth, before trees appeared, giant mushrooms grew. 21. The temperature of the Earth's core is equal to the temperature of the Sun. 22. Lightning strikes strike the Earth about 100 times in just a second. That works out to 8.6 million per day. 23. People do not have any questions regarding the shape of the Earth, thanks to evidence from Pythagoras back in 500 BC. 24. Only on Earth can one observe 3 states of water: solid, gaseous, liquid. 25. In reality, a day consists of 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. 26. Air pollution in China is so bad that it can even be seen from space. 27. 38,000 artificial objects were launched into Earth orbit after the launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957. 28. About 100 tons of small meteorites end up in the Earth's atmosphere every day. 29. The ozone hole is gradually shrinking. 30. A cubic meter of the Earth's atmosphere costs $6.9 quadrillion. 31. The size of modern reptiles and amphibians is determined by the amount of oxygen contained in the atmosphere. 32. Only 3% of fresh water is found on our planet. 33. The amount of ice in Antarctica is the same as the water in the Atlantic Ocean. 34. A liter of seawater contains 13 billionths of a gram of gold. 35. About 2,000 new marine species are discovered every year. 36. About 90% of all garbage in the world's oceans is plastic. 37. 2/3 of all marine species remain unstudied. There are about 1 million in total. 38. About 812 people die every year due to sharks. 39. More than 100 million sharks are killed annually for their fins. 40. Basically all volcanic activity, about 90%, occurs in the world's oceans. 41. The diameter of the ball, including all the water on Earth, could be 860 kilometers. 42. The depth of the Mariana Trench is 10.9 kilometers. 43. Thanks to the plate tectonic system, carbon is constantly cycling, which prevents the Earth from overheating. 44. The amount of gold contained in the Earth's core can cover the entire planet with a half-meter layer. 45. The temperature on the Earth's core is the same as on the surface of the Sun, 5,500 degrees Celsius. 46. The largest crystals were found in a Mexican mine. Their weight was 55 tons. 47. Bacteria exist even at a depth of 2.8 kilometers. 48. Under the Amazon at a depth of 4 kilometers flows a river called the Hamza, the width of which is about 400 kilometers. 49. In 1983, in Antarctica at Vostok Station, there was the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth. 50. The highest temperature occurred in 1922 and was 57.8 degrees Celsius.